Hey folks, what's going on? Okay, so what job should I pursue? Now, this is good. This is a good thing. Um, you're looking for, you're lost, you're kicking tires, possibly. Uh, that's where I've been many times. I'm in a job where I did all my pay, got all my pay raises, because of my certifications, whatnot, and then I got all the way up to my last pay raise, and this was my cutoff point, and I actually started making less because I went into the bottom of the next tax bracket. And I realized, this is how it's going to be all in my life. I'm going to be constantly, sorry, I was going to call. I'm going to be constantly just bobbing in the water, right? So I started looking for another job anyway, because that was my default thinking. And I realized the more jobs I looked for, you know what? I'm not really looking for a job. I'm looking for what I love to do. And what I love to do is work with my hands. Now, I know that working with my hands, and a lot of people are like this, I know that working with my hands is not going to afford me time with my family and make me financially free, right? It's going to keep me at my job. I'm going to be there between 40 to 60, maybe 70 hours away from my family a week, not necessarily just at the job, but with all the time that goes into the job, that's what it's going to be, is more like 60 to 70 hours. So I started searching, and I came at it from the standpoint of I'm going to go and find something to do that will make me financially free so I can do what I love and spend more time with my family. So do that. Find what you really love to do, and then see if it lines up with a strong, paycheck or whatnot. If it doesn't, then I can help you with that. Now, I went over to I started looking and searching, and I found a very powerful team of guys who are helping people like me and like us, who are searching, come home, spend more time with our families, spend less time working, but make more money while doing it. So head over to david-shoemaker.com and see what I've got going on. I think you'll really be relieved, because it's been a blessing for me so far, and hopefully it can help you too. So head over there, see what I've got going on. Again, it's david-shoemaker.com, or you can go to the button below, or you could just go to the description below the video. Anyway, have a good one.